birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And thank you all for celebrating it together. Yeah! Well, hi guys, I'm so excited that we are doing this live chat right on my birthday. So I've literally created a small space right at my house, which looks more like a studio. And जहाँ से आज हम live chat करने वाले हैं Instagram पे, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much. Thank you. And yes, so just pour in your questions. I can already see so many people just coming online and wishing me. Oh my god, this is getting really exciting. So what I've done is I have two options for doing this live chat just to make it more interesting. So I have a live chat 6 p.m. as you know on Instagram. 7 you can catch me up on my Facebook page, which is @memanara again. And after that, again, if you want to have a conversation with me, then you can log on to my Hello app page. You need to download the Hello app. और वहाँ पे आपको टाइप करना है Manara Chopra and you will reach directly on my page and we can chat there again as well. So also I'm keeping this chair handy as you can see. Just in case if I feel like अच्छा मैं थोड़ा सा tired feel कर रही हूँ, but then your questions are going to be keeping me so intrigued that I would not like to miss on your questions as well. So I'll probably just sit here and maybe you will see me having some coffee later in the time. And so yeah, let's get started. But before again we do, I just want to tell you all. So you know what guys, there's a mirror right next to my where my phone is placed. So I'm literally checking myself, I'm looking good today, I feel. No, it's I'm just saying it kuch to abhi hum baat karenge. So tell me about your interesting questions. Also a couple of days back I put in a notification on my Insta and my Facebook page that tell me how I can celebrate. You can help me celebrate my birthday. And a lot of people said that why don't you just go and give food to the people who are in need and everything. So I just want to tell you, people who don't know about me in that very aspect, I already do that. So don't worry, that has been taken care, because I believe that when we give donations in life, when we are giving money to someone, it's fine. Or somebody is giving money to us, it's fine. Or it's like any materialistic thing, people are giving, people are taking, that's all fine. But then your greed is always more. I want to have more money, I want to have more materialistic thing. But food is, guys, one thing that even if you are giving it to people, once they are eating it, once they are done eating it, they will tell you bas or nahi chahiye. So food is something which you should always give to people. Try to practice this more, because there are a lot of people who are literally on their daily wages, or most of the people, a lot of people are there who are not even employed, and they really depend upon their day-to-day, whatever money they get, they can buy themselves food. So at least when you give them directly food, you know that your money is your whatever thing you are giving it to them, it's ultimately you are giving them money so that they can provide to their family. So if you are providing food directly, so your thing is going in the right place, and they will eat it because it's an edible thing. So I just want to say that to that very answer, which I've been getting a lot on Instagram and on my Facebook page, to the questionnaire which I had posted to make my birthday more interesting. And then to make it more interesting, I thought to surprise you all with a live chat. So here we are doing this live chat together, and I just hope to have a great chat with you all. Also, one second, I'm just correcting my head. Also, I want to tell you that midnight was a beautiful time. My mom baked a cake for me, for which I'll be posting a video soon. And then my sister is there in US, and I have few friends there. So I just FaceTimed them, and they helped me celebrate my birthday. So that was really nice. I know it's a lockdown time, but I don't want to talk much about it. All I want to say is please stay at home, because this time is very crucial. This is really a testing time for India, so please help India just by staying at home. See, I'm staying at home. I'm home on my birthday, and I'm coming up with some amazing creative ideas. I hope they are amazing. I hope they are creative enough to keep you all entertained. And I'm working out a lot at home, and I'm doing yoga, I'm doing pranayam, I'm FaceTiming my friends, so I'm reading few books. I'm actually reading a religious book right now. So, in fact, I think I'll show you also the book which I'm reading. I'm on the chapter 8 for the scene. So every evening, I read like 2-3 chapters. That's how I just started a couple of days back. And listening to great music. So a lot of people used to tell me that I should start learning music. Like they feel that I can sing. Well, I only sing for my family and friends and all though. But they said that why don't you you just do a little professionally. So I started learning a lot of songs. जिसके मुझे पुराने गानों का बहुत शौक है, तो मैंने वो गाने सीखने शुरू करे हैं घर पे. So ये सब अभी मैं कर रही हूँ, और आने वाले दिन में मैं जो भी करूँगी मैं आपको उसके लिए अपडेट कर दूँगी. And now, let's get to your questions, because I know that it's just going, and let's just start answering. So SK Campbell 343 says happy birthday, thank you. Then okay, these are all hi, hello, happy birthday things which are coming up. So most of the people are saying hi. You're really just telling me hi. Okay. Happy birthday. Monsi is saying thank you. Kuljit Singh is saying big fan ma'am, just wanted to be your friend. Well, I'm your friend for sure here on through my social media pages. That's my biggest fan, Me Manara, and she's sending me hearts. So Me Manara, hearts back to you. That's for my Me Manara fan. Then looking so pretty, birthday girl, Jolly J, thank you. Then we have happy birthday my love. That's again Me Manara telling me that. Raj is saying hey gorgeous. Then you want to ask me some interesting questions, many happy returns of the day. I think people are just overwhelmed with my birthday, it seems. So I think most of the things are like people are wishing me. Also, I want to tell you that today was really amazing. I've been getting a lot of my birthday posters. This was really like a surprising thing, because this year it's been a lot of birthday posters. So many of them I have posted on my social media, and many of the WhatsApp posters which have been coming, that also I've posted. So a lot of them have posted me on my Insta pages. So whatever I could see, I have tried to repost it, whichever I liked. So thank you so much for the creative ideas. Now I just wanted to mention that. Oh, somebody is saying that hi Manara, today is my birthday too. That is R Singh. So hi R Singh, wishing you a very happy birthday. And we are celebrating our birthdays together. You're also live, I'm also live. So yeah, we are doing it together. We are together in this. Then, how are you Manara? Acha, wo to ho gaya, sorry. I was repeating the same one. Then. Ankit is saying, please say my name. Hi Ankit, I just said your name. Then, somebody is writing, Zid 2 banao na, I'll watch your movie. You want to see me as in the same character again and again. Well, I don't know अगर Zid 2 बनता है तो वो कैसे बनेगा. But maybe maybe I'll consider it. I'll think about it. So, Water Survivor is saying my birthday too. Happy birthday, Water Survivor. Happy birthday to you. Then अरमान दे तू मुझे बारिश हूँ मैं. I think he's trying to quote some shairi that Mufid from some city which I don't know. I'm just reading what he just wrote for you all. That's some shairi. And then I have a lot of hi hellos. My son is saying hello to you. That's Gaurav. Hi Gaurav. Say hi from my side to your son. He's saying happy birthday. Thank you so much. Please let me know your son's name, and I really want to know his name. So let me know in the live chat here. Your eyes always kill us. Really? Okay. Thank you. Then we have somebody is writing you're looking too hot. Somebody is writing you're looking too pretty. Then what are your future plans? Well, my future plan depends really on this COVID situation. I think for all of us, our future plans really depends on this COVID situation. And it's going to finish and you're going to run back to work. So I'm also looking forward to the same. So a lot of it depends on that. Then you have Madam, what is your favorite hobby? I'm keeping up to a lot of hobbies. As I told you, I'm working out. So that has become my biggest hobby. I think it's really keeping me sane, dude, nowadays. So that is one thing. Then I love painting. I love singing. I love dancing. So a lot of hobbies for me. Then somebody is saying, I'm your biggest fan, ma'am. Great. Somebody, Honey Babu, is saying fitness tips, please. Okay, fitness tips. Oh god. Well, I've posted a fitness video. Maybe that can inspire you. And I think there are nothing like a fitness tip. Fitness tip is all about just setting your mind and just reaching to your goal. Like, you want to reach a particular jeans. You want to reach a particular size of shirt, t-shirt. That is the end goal. And fitness goal just helps you reach there. And you need to just target your own goal. There's nothing like my goal cannot be like same as your goal. So you need to see what really works for you, what really works for your routine. And I think this time is really working for my routine. Then Bhaskar is saying it's his birthday too. So hi Bhaskar, happy birthday. Then you are where? Which state? Okay, so I am in Maharashtra right now. I'm in Mumbai. And my mom is in town. So I'm staying with her. So it's keeping me sane because now like you are, live with me. So I talk a lot. So at least she's keeping me sane. Then my sister is there in US. So she's stuck there. Her tickets and all are like cancelled for now. Until the situation is under control. My dad is here in Delhi, so we are like 4 members in the family. So everyone is in different states, and that's about it. Then the next one is this question was asked by R. Singh. Where are you and you're from which state? Okay. So next. What do you like? Well, I like to have this live chat as for now on my birthday. Then you're looking hot and fit. You're looking cute in the film Zid, especially the song Tu Zaruri. That is Sanjeev Karan saying that. Then wishing you a very happy birthday. How are you spending your time in quarantine? That is Sandeep asking me, and I think I've already answered that, Sandeep. I did. By the way, guys, how are you spending your time in quarantine? That is something I want to know. Like, what exactly is happening with you guys? I really would like to know that. How are you spending your time at home? I'm sure you all are doing Netflix. I know you guys are doing, whatever, ghar ka kaam. But I hope you are also keeping yourself updated with the current affairs. That is very important. And there is too much happening in the society right now. And again, I don't know I have to say this or not. How you can contribute to the society is just staying by it. Right there in your premises. You feel like, helping someone. You feel that there are different phases in everybody's life, and this can be a very low dip in someone's life. So if somebody needs your kind of help from you, please go forward and help that person, because your a bit of effort from your side can really help the other person and make a difference to his life when everything is just on pause and hold. I don't know how much sense I'm making, but I'm just trying to say that please do your bit, stay safe and try and help others. There's nothing wrong. आपका कुछ बिगड़ता नहीं है. आप थोड़ा सा किसी को हेल्प कर दो, चाहे वो थोड़ा फाइनेंशियल हेल्प भी हो, तो चलता है. Your life will not stop, but it can really help improve the other person's life. Saurabh Pandey, Madam Priyanka Chopra is your cousin sister. Okay, yeah, she is, of course. You are too sexy, yaar. I love you so much from Telugu. Thank you so much. All the compliments coming in today. How you came into films? Okay, so I got into films is because I was earlier into dancing. I used to dance, like really dance, and that's how I relocated myself to Bombay. And from dancing, I started to model when I did my first ad, and I remember I was given some 12,000 rupees just to shoot for one day. I don't mean it was like a big amount. It was like 12,000 rupees at that point of time, like 5-6 years back. So, and then modeling just led me to acting. I did model in ads. So I did an ad with Salman Khan. I did work with Imtiaz Ali sir. I worked with Habib Faisal sir. I worked for Myntra. I remember a lot of ads. Yeah, I mean, ekdam yaad nahi aa raha. I did about 40 ads, and then I just got a film, and I got Zid. And from Zid I got other films, and one film led to another, and that's my little story. Happy birthday, Maya. Thank you. Many happy returns of the day, Manara. Then please sing Tu Zaruri song. Then Priyanka CJ fan is saying hello, speak my comments. And then I think a lot of things related to the films and everything, and I think these are most of the repeated questions. So what we can do is, now you can catch me up on my live chat, which is going to be at 7 on my Facebook page. I'm gonna see you there, and in between I think I'll just go and have some water. Also guys, I just want to tell you that please have a lot of lukewarm water. You can make an infused water at home, especially for these times. I'm doing that, my mom is doing that, my sister is doing that, my dad is also doing that in our respective cities wherever we are. So you just take some hot water, you put some garlic, sorry, cut. You take some hot water, you put some ginger into it, just take one full, like whatever that thing is in ginger, and just cut it to 4 pieces, put it, and you can add some cinnamon sticks to it. Just boil it and you should have that, and maybe add a bit of cardamom, so it becomes like an infused water. तो अगर आप घर पे चाय भी पी रहे हो तो आप उसी पानी से चाय बना के पिए. It's very important, and just ensure कि आपका गला जो है every 20 minutes or after every 1 hour it gets some water. It's very important during these times to keep your throat a bit wet. Thank you so much. I just love this chat, and as you know, as you just figured out from this chat, that I myself talk a lot, but I had to take that out to my live chat as I'm quarantined right here in my home. But I'm not feeling much about it because you people kept me entertained, and I look forward to chat with you all 7 p.m. on my Facebook page and 8 on my Hello app. See you. Bye. Love. Hello. Hi. I'm back on my Facebook Live. There was a signal error because of which it just got intervened, but I hope now it will go all steady and all good. So I would just request all of you to just come on this very live, and let's just begin to chat. First of all, thank you all so much for making my birthday so special. I've been getting a lot of videos. I've been getting a lot of beautiful collages, a lot of pictures of mine with the birthday greetings written on top of it. So thank you for all the positivity. It's just your positivity and your love which keeps me going. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. First of all, I just want to tell you that this is my first birthday. I think whosoever is just like going through this very phase, of course it's the first time where I've literally self-quarantined myself, as most of us have done. I hope you're also following the same, and celebrated my birthday all by myself here at my premises at my home. So but yeah, I have to mention that I was really lucky that my mom was in town and she helped me celebrate and sail through this time, because I feel I talk a lot. Hello. Hi, how are you all? So we are just starting with the Facebook Live on my Facebook page, which is @meebanara, and thank you so much for your lovely wishes. I've been getting so many beautiful looking pictures, beautiful looking posters of mine since morning, and I just thought to just like thank you all personally. Thank you so much for making my birthday so special. I love you all. Oh my god, the questions have just started pouring in. 1 second, guys. I just wanted to make the frame go a little better, so that's how I adjusted it. So thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for all your lovely wishes, for all the birthday wishes which you have been sharing through the different posters, through the different quotes, through the different write-ups from your social media platforms, and whatever I probably could, I have tried to post it on my stories, whichever ones, the posters and the videos which I liked the most. But I look forward to share more and more, and thank you for so much of positivity, guys. It's only the positivity and the feedback which... Hi everyone, so I'm still trying to see that I can make this live go possible to the best of my possibilities in terms of the signal error which is just happening. I mean, I don't know why. But yes, let's just get the chat go forward. And we are building up, and I'm seeing that there is a lot of engagement today. Already I have tried to do 2 lives which were just getting interrupted in between. I don't know why, but let's take it forward and do a live right now. So a lot of people are texting me for my birthday wishes, for giving me birthday wishes. Somebody is writing hi, happy birthday. That is by Mir. Lot of people are also saying, somebody is writing salute. Why salute? Is it my birthday salute? Maybe. Somebody is writing प्लीज़ हिंदी में बात करो. चलो ठीक है, अब हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं. वो तो आई थिंक मतलब मैं इंटेंशनली इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर रही थी, बट आई थिंक वो एक फ्लो के साथ हो जाता है. पर चलो अब हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई एंड हैव द कॉन्वर्सेशन इन हिंदी, हमारी मातृभाषा में. सो बट आई थिंक क्या होता है, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ मैं देखती हूँ कि हम हिंदी में चैट करने जाते हैं, बट जितना भी राइट अप लिखा हुआ आता है, मोस्टली जो क्वेश्चंस वगैरह आते हैं वो सब इंग्लिश में होते हैं. सो ऑटोमेटिकली यू टेंड टू जस्ट आंसर एवरीथिंग इन इंग्लिश. मतलब आप इंग्लिश में ही जवाब देने लग जाते हो. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ जस्ट द केस विच प्रॉबेबली आई हैव ऑब्जर्व, जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व करा है और मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. और लकीली अभी ये लाइव ठीक चल रहा है एंड वी आर बिल्डिंग अप ऑडियंस एज वेल. So I think I'm just gonna put it on a full screen image so that we can take this live forward. And please guys don't mind in case, वैसे भी आप माइंड नहीं करोगे क्योंकि आज मेरा बर्थडे है, but don't mind in case the live gets interrupted again. I'm trying to make it best possible कि live interrupt नहीं हो. So let's try and do it. Just give me a second. Thank you so much again. I want to say for making my birthday so special, for coming together in like such mass quantities to just ensuring that my birthday is celebrated well. तो मैंने एक बर्थडे केक काट लिया है. बस एक और बर्थडे केक है जिसको मैं जल्द ही काटने वाली हूँ. And I'm going to be posting all the videos and everything with you guys. Now I think सबसे पहले मैं आपके सवालों के जवाब देने लगूँ तो मैं आपको बस एक मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लोग प्लीज़ अपने घर पे रहें, सेफ रहें. आप जो गवर्नमेंट कह रही है कि घर से बाहर मत निकलिए, उन्हें कोई शौक नहीं है आपको घर से, मतलब वो नहीं चाहते, कोई आपका दुश्मन नहीं है कि चाहे कि आप घर से बाहर ना जाएं. पर जो भी एफर्ट्स लिए जा रहे हैं वो सिर्फ आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए हैं. सो प्लीज़ बी सेफ और अपने घर पे रहें. इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. आपको अगर कोई भी ग्रॉसरीज चाहिए, कुछ भी, आप एक फ़ोन करें और ग्रॉसरीज आप एटलीस्ट सिटीज़ में आपके घर पे अवेलेबल हो सकती हैं. और अगर आपको लेने के लिए कुछ बाहर जाना है, प्रॉबेबली यू वांट टू गो, प्रॉबेबली आप अपने घर से बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, कुछ प्रॉबेबली बैंक का काम है या कुछ एटीएम से विड्रॉ करना है या फिर आपको सच में ग्रॉसरीज खरीदनी है, तो प्लीज़ अपना मास्क पहन के जाइए. घर आते ही आप प्लीज़ अपने हैंड सैनिटाइज करिए, अपने हाथ अच्छे से धोइए सबसे पहले. बाहर भी सैनिटाइज़र कैरी करें और घर आते ही जो भी आपने कपड़े पहने हैं उन्हें आप वॉशिंग के लिए दीजिए, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और आप खुद भी नहाइए, बिकॉज डोंट टेक इट वेरी लाइटली. इट्स अ वायरस एंड वी नीड टू. आप अगर अपने लिए प्रिकॉशन लेंगे तो आप सबको ये बीमारी ना हो, किसी और को ये एलिमेंट किसी और के पास ट्रांसफ़र ना हो, तभी ये हो सकता है जब आप अपने आप को बचाएंगे. सो प्लीज़ डू दैट. इट्स माई बर्थडे विश एंड इट्स माई बर्थडे रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल. एंड सी, मैं भी घर पे हूँ, मैं भी अपना बर्थडे घर से ही सेलिब्रेट करी हूँ, बट नॉट दैट आई एम रिग्रेटिंग इट. आई एम एन्जॉइंग इट. आई एम टेकिंग इट एज एन एक्सपीरियंस कि ऐसा भी हुआ था मेरी लाइफ में. एंड प्रॉब्ली 20 years down the line or 30 years down the line, I'm gonna share it, this thing with my my loved ones. So let's get on to the questions, and this is the most exciting thing about the entire chat. Let's just see what are the questions. राहुल चौहान इज राइटिंग, सबसे पहले हिंदी वाला पढ़ते हैं, एक बार फिर से दिल का राज करने का. ओके, आई एम गोना विन योर हार्ट अगेन. वाओ, somebody is sending me an I love you. That's so cute. I love you back. ये किसने भेजा है? Let me just see. That is by Malik Nursin Khan. Thank you, Malik. Then मरीज़े इश्क हूँ मैं, कर दे दवा. Irshad Ahmed is writing. Thank you, Irshad Ahmed. Then somebody is writing, you're looking so pretty. Thank you so much. I'm homebound, so I want you to look casually good, casually smart, and that's the color which I chose for my day. I think it's a nice vibrant color. Most of you people know that I like all the colors. I feel all the colors are really beautiful. हर color बहुत ही अपने आप में खूबसूरत होता है. But आज मुझे एक बहुत ही bright color पहनने का मन करा, so I chose a pink color. I hope you like it, and I know you do. Next is happy birthday hottie girl. Thank you. Then happy birthday. I think a lot of birthday wishes are coming. कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस पूछो यार. आई नो यू आर ओवरवेल्म्ड विद माई बर्थडे एंड you want to see my birthday videos too. I promise I'll post it for sure, but ask me some nice questions. Like, I was just doing this chat on Instagram and we had like a good engagement, and people were actually asking me very like interesting questions. So I want you also to be asking me some interesting questions. And also I want to tell you कि फेसबुक लाइव के बाद मैं हेलो लाइव करने वाली हूँ, जहाँ पे आप सबकी प्यार और ब्लेसिंग से 3.4 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो चुके हैं. सो 34 लाख पीपल आर देयर ऑन माई हेलो पेज. सो थैंक यू सो मच. अ हेलो डांस फॉर दैट. So I'm going to be coming live on Hello around 8:15 once I'm done with my Facebook live. तो हम वहाँ पे भी बात कर सकते हैं. Then lot of questions I am getting. हम पाकिस्तान से प्यार भेज रहे हैं या कर रहे हैं, something like that is written. So that is by Ishtaq Khan. I like your name, Ishtaq. Thank you so much for all the love from Pakistan. I hope पाकिस्तान में भी लोग precautions ले रहे हैं और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घर रह रहे हैं. Although न्यूज़ में सब पता चलता है, बट आई होप लोग जिस तरह इंडिया में सब प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं, पाकिस्तान में भी लोग प्रिकॉशंस लें. जितने भी मेरे फैंस हैं पाकिस्तान में, और मैं उन सबको बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप सेफ़ हैं तो आपकी फैमिली सेफ़ है. आई नो ये थोड़ा मुश्किल दौर है, बट प्लीज़ अपने आप को घर पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रखें. बच्चों को घर से बाहर खेलने के लिए नहीं भेजें. और जब पूरी दुनिया इस चीज़ पे ध्यान दे रही है तो ये कुछ बहुत ही सीरियस होगा. तो प्लीज़ जो भी मेरे फैंस पाकिस्तान में मुझे मेरे फेसबुक लाइव के प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू देख रहे हैं, प्लीज़ घर पे रहें और सेफ रहें. नेक्स्ट इज़ हाउ मच ब्यूटिफुल यू आर. Rahul Chauhan, how can I say how beautiful am I? I'm beautiful like inside out. You have, the beauty is not just about how you look, it's also about how you speak, how you treat people. For me, beauty is also about that. I think for me, beauty is basically about how you treat people, because I feel in today's time people are really forgetting how to treat each other. That's why there's a lot of loneliness. There are people who are on social media, they have loads of social media friends, but when it comes to their personal self, people have started becoming very lonely. They really don't have anyone to talk to, in literal sense that मैं किसी से बात करूँ तो वो मेरी बात को जज तो नहीं करेगा. So I think if you treat people right, people will treat you right. If you don't judge others, then others will also not judge you. So that is also about, that really explains your beauty in literal terms. Then the next question is, excellent, thank you, I hope you liked what I just said. Lovely, thank you. I'm from Bangladesh. You are looking so beautiful. Thank you so much. I don't know your name because it's written in your probably national or local language. I'm hello from Indonesia. You are so beautiful person. That is Yuda. His name is Yuda, I guess. Yuda. Thank you so much. All the love to all the people there in Indonesia. I love you so much. Then you are pretty. There's someone writing from Mexico. Oh my god, I think today people are celebrating my birthday all over the world. That's so amazing. So this person is from Mexico. Again, I can't read his name because it's written in, again, their language. Oh my god, I really like this sun. Somebody is writing, your face is like McDonald's, because I'm loving it. This is really nice. I mean, I like it. McDonald's. It's like bachpan ki yaad dila di. Because I used to, me and my sister, we really used to hog McDonald's like anything. Like hog is the word. I remember मेरी स्कूल के बिल्कुल like you can say just 500 meters from my school there used to be McDonald's. तो हमारी सारे birthday parties वहाँ होती थी, हमारी friends की birthday parties वहीं होती थी. So we have literally grown up eating McDonald's. So yeah. Are you safe? Please stay at home. Yes, I'm safe. Thank you so much, Prabhabit, and I'm safe. And so is my family. Thank you for asking. I hope you are safe too, and so is your family. Take care. Somebody is writing, why don't you come live often? Yeah, that is there now. I don't come live often. It's my mistake. Now I'll try and come live more often for sure. But I think I'll keep sharing a lot of my content on my social media platforms to keep you intrigued, and you feel that I'm probably not coming live, but I'm still relevant. Then हैप्पी बर्थडे का बहुत सारा मैसेजेस है. So yes, a lot of birthday messages. Somebody is writing happy birthday to you, stay blessed, smile. Lot of birthday, you're looking pretty. Then और बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे पढ़ने में आई थिंक वो ग्रामेटिकली ठीक नहीं लिखा, तो वो आई एम जस्ट अवॉइडिंग दैट, व्हाट टू डू दैट इन दैट सिनेरियो. Oh, somebody is writing, I have nothing to pray for in this gift-filled day with you today. That's nice, thank you. You have an awesome body. How are you maintaining it? Pinko is writing, how am I maintaining it is, I think I'm just stuck here at home. और मुझे क्या होता है कि अगर मैं, because I'm throughout the day I'm out of my home, मैं सिर्फ रात को घर आती हूँ मेजरली. मैं सुबह 10-11 बजे काम के लिए अगर निकलती हूँ तो रात को ही घर आती हूँ, और जब तक मेरी बॉडी थक नहीं जाती आई कांट स्लीप. दैट इज़ माई थिंग. मेरी बॉडी थकेगी मैं तभी सो पाती हूँ, अदरवाइज आई कैन बी अवेक टिल 6 AM. सो आई एम जस्ट रियली वर्किंग आउट एट होम बिकॉज इज नथिंग मच टू डू, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम कीपिंग माई सेल्फ फिट. बिकॉज अगर मेरी बॉडी थकेगी तभी मैं टाइम पर सोऊंगी, तभी मैं आई कैन ओनली गेट अप ऑन टाइम द नेक्स्ट डे. आई डोंट वांट टू स्पॉइल माई डे बाय गेटिंग अप later in the day, later in the afternoon. I don't prefer that. So that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm maintaining myself. आपको पिंक कलर अच्छा लग रहा है. Thank you. Rock the party. I am rocking it. So सांसों को जीने का सहारा मिल गया, तो मिला तो खुद को सहारा मिल गया. That's मेरे फिल्म के सॉन्ग का. I think you are just trying to write that. Thank you. That is Bittu Kumar. How do you feel when you live alone in this lockdown time? I feel I'm spending a lot of time with myself, which I have been missing over the years because I have always been a very work-oriented person. मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी मेरा काम होता है. A lot of people who are close to me, they know that कि मैं सिर्फ काम में ही interested होती हूँ. तो ये पहले मतलब काम. There's nothing apart from work. So I think ये time मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अपने साथ spend करने को मिल रहा है. So that is how I'm spending my time in the lockdown time, the lockdown, during this time, in the lockdown period. Then there's a shout out from Philippines. That's Ricky. Wow, love from Bangladesh. You are beautiful. That is Kai. I'm from Thailand. He's this person. Hi Kai. I hope everything is fine in Thailand. I know the situation is like little, but please take care of yourself and people around you. आपका डांस वीडियो देखा. Thank you. So I think a lot of questions are pouring in. तो अभी इसको continue करना है because I think we have just like 20 minutes left. So 8 o'clock I'm going to be live on the Hello app. Please download the Hello app and follow me there. And वहाँ पे अभी हम live करेंगे और वहाँ पे जो live होगा वो हिंदी में और तेलुगु में ही होगा because that is actually for the audience around India. So but all the people who were texting me from Thailand, I think Philippines, Mexico and Bangladesh and few more countries that I'm missing out right now. Thank you so much for joining me on my birthday and making it so special and so beautiful. I loved interacting with you all, and during this time I will try to have more and more of live chats with you all. Until then, keep yourself safe, wash your hands. If you're stepping out, wear a mask. Otherwise, please avoid to just step out at all. Have a lot of hot water, a lot of infused ginger, cardamom, cinnamon water, even in your tea. These are the few tips that I would just like to share with you all, and keep sipping hot water every hour. It's very important for this very time. Take care, stay safe, stay home, stay blessed. Love you.